Hey everyone, we are Tesorio. Large companies use Tesorio to offer their suppliers faster payments in exchange for discounts. We have thousands of suppliers in our network, and so we came to the QuickBooks Hackathon to build tools for them to make their lives easier. So before the 36 hours ago, we had nothing with QuickBooks, no integrations. We actually never built anything on QuickBooks. And now we built ClearSight. So ClearSight helps suppliers anticipate payment timing, as well as automate repeat business offers for existing clients. So that's two things. SMBs can see whether an invoice was received, whether it was approved, and whether it was already sent for payment, all from Tesorio, so that they can see their certainty for their future cash flow. Also, we automate extending reorder offers from their clients based on previous transaction history. So like, when was the last time that your accounting system acted like a sales rep and basically gave you a better ROI? So let me show you how that works. So a company would log into Tesorio, and we would automatically get all their invoices from your QuickBooks Online. And so the first feature that I want to show you is automatically seeing what the invoice status is for your invoice. We would send this to your client, and from here they can click whether your invoice is approved, whether it was already the payment was sent, or whether it was rejected. They'd get this landing page, and you would go here, refresh your page, and if you go and see your invoice, here it is, this was now changed to approved. So we'll send your clients this email so you can get a better understanding of where your invoice is in their workflow. On top of that, we actually also automatically integrate with QuickBooks Online, and so you can automatically get connected here. The second feature that we built with ClearSight was this. We would automatically send clients that you worked with in the last month an offer to get a reorder for the invoice that they paid for last month. And so here, they can go ahead and review and conform a reorder. And here they'll see the previous invoice. They can actually go and see the PDF that was the original invoice. They can select the new delivery date and just go ahead and confirm reorder. Once that order is confirmed, we actually automatically create an invoice on QuickBooks Online for you. So everything's automatic, and you get new sales that way. If you go back now, you can actually go see all the reorder prospects that we sent out for you. And so here you can kind of get the invoices that we sent, whether they've been, and their status, whether they've been reordered, if they don't want to get a reorder, if everything went well. So this is kind of a game changer for these small businesses. Okay. Questions?
I have a question. So if this is geared toward supply fulfillment and it automatically creates an invoice in QuickBooks, that kind of skips the whole sales order and order fulfillment process and goes straight from order to billing. So how do you bridge that gap?
Yeah, you want to take it?
Yeah, that's definitely like a feature in the future. The way it will work, actually, it's only 36 hours
so.
we had, but like what will actually happen is after they hit confirm that order, the supplier will get an email with the purchase order basically, and they can approve it or reject it, right?
The sales order.
Right, yeah. And then that will create the invoice after they approve.
So they would actually approve it, and then it would make the invoice.
And then it would create the invoice, yeah, so they can send the products.
It seems like you've grabbed a little bit of stuff out of what would normally be in the CRM and out of the accounting solution and created, to riff on another team's theme, kind of tab hell, creating another solution that people need to work within. So what's your specific value prop that goes beyond what you can do in accounting and CRM?
Yep. All right, yeah, so again, our main business is the dynamic discounting business. And we have thousands of suppliers. And so we're building tools that we've heard them ask us for, right? So the status is one thing. They can see, today with Tesorio, they can see, okay, my invoice was received, it was approved, when am I going to get paid? And they say, I love this, can I see this with my other 300 clients? And we can't do that today. And so we created this. Today we only did email, but we've successfully created other systems for supplier onboarding based on using automated phone calls, faxes, and snail mail And that's the kind of technology that we're going to use now to check on the status of invoices. Additionally, on the reordering, to be completely honest, we just pulled a QuickBooks kind of Intuit innovation move. We learned about that yesterday from one of the speakers in the one of the accountants, the business owners that was up here, asked us, look, if you could build this tool, I would use this. It pays for itself. If you send 5,000 emails automatically and just one of them buys, we're basically set. Okay. Sorry.